How to do handwrite-on text effect in Premiere Pro. With the Type tool, click in the preview and type your text. Now with the Selection tool, adjust the size, font, and other properties of the text. Also, in the Essential Graphics panel, click on these two buttons to center it horizontally and vertically. Now in the Effects panel, search for Write-on and drag it into your text. Select the text and in the Effect Controls panel, set color to a red color. Set stroke length to 5 and brush spacing to 0.001. Then click on the Write-on effect and drag this small blue circle on top of the first letter. Increase brush size until the size of the red dot slightly is bigger than the size of the text. Drag the red dot above the first letter. From drop-down, set zoom to something like 75%. Now move the playhead to the start and click on the stopwatch next to brush position to create a starting keyframe. With the right arrow key, go forward one frame, click on the right on the sea blue circle again, and drag it a little forward. Go forward one more frame and drag the blue circle until the text is completely filled. We have to drag the circle in the way that we actually write each of these chars. At last, set paint style to reveal original image. And now we have this nice write-on effect. If you want to increase the speed of animation, right-click on the text and click Nest. Now select the nested sequence, press Ctrl+R, and change the speed to whatever you want. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.